Hello, in this video we will see how we can join multiple audio files as a single file. Here I am having these three audio files that I wish to join as a single file. For that I am going to use a free tool called Audacity. So we will first go to the Audacity website, which is audacityteam.org. This is a free and open source tool which is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. Since I have already downloaded and installed the tool, I will just open it. Here I will need to import my audio files into Audacity. I will go to File, Import Audio, and I will choose the audio files that I wish to combine. They are currently in WAV format. They can be in different format like MP3. I will click on Open. Here I can see the waveforms of all the three files. Now we need to combine them. So first I will select all three of them by clicking on any one of them and doing Ctrl A. Then I will go to Tracks, Align End to End. The next step is to combine it as a single track. For that again we will go to Tracks menu, click on Mix and Render. Now our audio is in a single track. Now we need to export this file. For this I will go to File, Export and choose the format that you want. In my case I want WAV. I will give a file name and click on Save. I will not set any metadata. Click on OK. And here I can see that my combined audio file is present. If you have found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.